Okay. We're all ready to go.
Oh, Peanut might want his stocking too.
Yeah, and the cat. We'll go see something in the cat stocking.
Jens!
What a surprise.
Okay, Peanut. Where is the cat?
She's probably downstairs.
Oh, she loves Christmas.
There you go.
Oh yeah, she does. She gets all the boxes.
Y'all should get her if she loves it.
Here, I'll grab it.
Go, baby, go! No, you're supposed to wait.
Sorry.
It stands up on top. Peanut, you're supposed to open your stocking.
Stocking? He's fine looking at me.
Kitty!
Yeah.
Good morning, kitty kitty. She's like, why have you summoned me? What is this useless ritual?
It's called Christmas Yen.
She says it's not
Kitty.
Yeah, whatever. Yeah, he likes the boxes.
Aw, that's
pretty
really
cute,
cute.
though.
Yeah, kitty. No, no.
Oh snap.
Aw.
Alright.
Yen, you're so lazy.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, it's so cute!
Yeah, look. Hey, Yen, look at.
Oh, look how cute it is. And it's got the little
Oh.
tag on it.
Oh, it's so cute. It's so cute. I've never seen these.
Hmm?
Ooh, I just drooled on my pants. Ooh. Ooh. This looks good. Ooh, this looks good.
Oh,
Yes. Oh, sweet. This is cool. This is awesome. I'm trying to figure it out for like 20 minutes. This is great.
Ooh. Good morning, Yen. Oh, it's nice and
Yeah,
wrapped
so
in a
excited.
bow.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Oh,
Sweet. That's always nice. You,
I haven't even gotten mine open yet.
Yeah, no, it's okay. Check the stuff like right, guys. Hey,
This little tin is really cute though, so I'm just gonna keep all my money in here from now on.
keep the cat.
And I will have the stocking
What
key
in
guarded.
disgrace.
These are so cool. Some genius came up with
I
these.
know, right? It's so He's
cute.
protecting my stuff. You know, right through the cat. He's so cute.
It really is.
He's got a little tummy. Hey, not yours, not you.
Okay, cards next.
Sure thing. Here, I should probably
Okay,
get
can you, like,
sit closer to me? That's nice.
He's like, yeah, I got a present for you right here.
Yeah. It's like, okay, can I leave now? My present's open. Oh, that's a really good card.
Oh, cool card. I know. Ooh, it's pretty.
It
Yeah.
is pretty. Okay.
Who's that from?
Hey, Jan.
Aw.
Keep all the money in here. Right. Ew. Yeah.
She's so lazy.
She likes the idea of it.
Yeah.
Too lazy to actually pursue anything.
Oh. There you go,
Alright.
present for you.
Jim, you need to look in your stocking.
Open it next
It's
to
from
me.
Jim Dog.
Oh, it is, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jim
Let's
worked
step on
very
in.
hard. I'm just gonna like grab the newest thing I see.
That's for we.
Alright, right here.
Jim couldn't afford much, but
You
he's
forgot.
not so much.
Yeah. That one's yours.
Thank you so much.
This is yours.
It's very kind.
Yours.
You're supposed to open it. Oh my gosh.
No, this isn't yours.
This one's copies.
Yeah.
What's in your
He was like, yeah. Hey, this is awesome. Look, I got chocolate, cookies,
Hey, all
and
right.
tons of orange Tic Tacs. My favorite. Thanks, honey. Hey,
You know,
very much.
well, cake like matchmaker.
Oh my gosh.
Here, please. We.
Oh, we
Isn't that
gave
cool?
you.
You guys want some cookies?
Oh my gosh!
Wow! Wow! Oh wait, I think it's for you.
Yeah, that one's probably yours, sweet.
Oh, right.
Yes.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Dangerous.
Oh, these are for you,
With the-
Poppy.
Yeah.
Hey, alright, man. Pinned on with like just so here. I think that's my favorite part.
Those are from January, okay?
You're right.
And if you guys don't mind, can you give her a quick, like, conference call? Just call her from
Yeah.
your phone, Pop, and then just put it on speaker and tell her thank you very much.
Oh, that's, yeah.
Make sure you get Rita's too. Get Rita's. Now is it
Should
hot?
we open that one first?
Who's that one from?
Can't read it? Wait, no, that one's for me. This one's Jasmine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, it's so it's like it's kind of thick. Yeah, quit it.
Oh, girl, Shell, so open yours up. Let's see 'em.
Alright. Oh my god. It's cute. Wait.
Wait, you're opening from the wrong way.
I'm trying to open it at all. Where'd you find that package? Mommy had it. Okay, whatever. I tried.
Getting the tape in?
All the matters.
There we go.
Cute.
There we go. Oh my gosh. Oh man, these are so cute in the game. Did you remember me telling you? Yeah.
Yeah.
I need one of these in real life. Yeah, you said I
We
wanted
have so
one
many
of
here
them.
if you need them.
Oh no.
And it was surprisingly bigger than I thought. And I gotta have to squish it.
That's from the Overwatch game.
I love the turtle.
And it like
Pistons.
squeaks
Oh,
every time you
he's
hit.
so
Oh my
cute.
god. Oh dude. Hold up. Gotta get this open. I love it so much. Oh my god,
Cute.
presents.
I know. When did you sneak in that turtle, Mimi?
Oh, I had it in my jacket,
Yeah.
and
Oh, you
I had
did.
to beware because, people. Oh, dang, it looks so cool.
Oh, thanks.
I don't know if the movie was any good, though. Yeah. I don't care, I thought it looks cool.
That
Yeah.
looks really cool.
It looks cool. Like, that's probably the coolest Assassin's Creed poster there is
No,
around.
that's for me.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, that's from my niece. Sorry for a little squish. That's okay.
Hey, love it.
Oh man, that
Come on, get
cool.
Oh my god.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I didn't know.
There's extra
Like,
money.
melted.
I mean, I
Like,
just
what?
figured that's what you want, and then went to get our. I didn't get anything.
Well, it's a little green, but it's
It's alright.
alright. It's
There we
cute.
go. You've been showering us with so many
Look at
kids.
its face. I know, like, it looks kind of demonic, but I
go
like
with
it
it.
better like that. Thank you so
So
much.
mad.
Oh, you guys are gonna go to the candy cane. Oh, I love it. Oh, it's a little Princess Leia! I like the buns on her head. Look, the little bun! It's so cute!
Yeah. I saw her when she got. It was really cute. I was like, it's Princess Leia.
Oh, she's so
Hey! So guard all your hair and color pop balls.
Oh my gosh. Oh,
Widowmaker.
She's cat.
Oh,
Yeah, she likes the
wow.
plastic better.
Yeah, she was cute.
She doesn't care about the toys
No.
that she got. She likes the
Get
plastic.
the roll of wrapping paper and give her the plastic, I guess.
Oh wow.
Yeah, look at her.
Look at her hair, so pretty.
Yeah, I didn't open her or anything, so I was like, aw, hers pretty neat. Hey, wait, can I see her real quick?
Don't break her gun like
Oh,
a
I'm not gonna
nice
break her
wand.
gun. Yeah, that's really neat. I didn't know she had earrings. Hey, don't shoot that. That's not good for you.
She's okay. Huh?
That's it. There's no
She's
more
not gonna
sorry.
eat it.
Oh, wow. That's cool.
It's an air man.
Sorry. No, I don't have to break around my poppy dolls. They're like $10,000 each. Thanks for
Yeah. And your phone can go in there. So.
Oh, yeah,
I
that's
think.
really cool.
I think.
Thanks, I didn't even think about
I
that.
tried.
Yeah, I probably would. Yeah, right here, right there. we go. I hope I haven't like completely ruined this by shaking it so much.
You probably
I was
have.
shaking it.
Oh.
Wow, it's so pretty. See, it's wow.
Yeah, it was on that little thing, so you check it. But the paint
That's
underneath
pretty.
is probably like gone.
Hey, thanks, sweet.
Yes.
That was one from Gaston's, I think.
Yeah.
Right, Wee?
Yes.
Hey, look, it's not even like, well, there's okay, I fixed it. There we go.
Hold on.
That's pretty, man.
Oh
It's
no,
a bit
it has
more.
to be.
Hey, yeah,
Oh
it's
my
here for
gosh,
you.
she's so pretty.
Yeah,
Oh,
wow.
Oh, yeah.
Little blonde hair. Is she a yoga instructor? That will make her move.
Yes, she's the Made to Move dolls, which are so cool. I'm gonna be modeling with this doll, and she's also gonna be like my me. So she's gonna
Yeah.
be the one that's introducing my channel and trailer.
Yeah, we have that.
cool.
We're gonna have a little meeting tonight at 7 again, okay? Yeah, Pop, I need your numbers. Pop.
Yeah, I hope. Will you take this too well? No, I
Did
can't
I?
open it.
I'm sorry.
It's great.
Click it in.
Really?
Yeah. She prefers the plastic to a
Yeah.
brand new toy.
It is. We'll get stuck here now. Those are really cool, Mimi.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Isn't that cool?
Well, there's more in there too.
There is. Oh, there. Ooh.
Your favorite.
I was looking at this on Pinterest.
Yes.
Look at
It's
it.
beautiful.
biting her.
The holiday
Yes.
doll.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Ah.
Sweet. Don't look. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited.
Look at that dress.
Oh, that dress. Oh,
Oh
dang.
my gosh.
Oh, I got me some Pumas.
No, it's just
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Dude.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Those
yeah.
are really nice.
For sure, dude.
They might be too small.
I don't care, man. I'm still wearing them.
Pop,
Here,
sugar,
let this box.
your trip to New York is your gift from your mom and I,
Yeah, I
okay?
know, it's
So, I'm
Yeah.
sorry there isn't more underneath there. It's just that's where we're putting it. I know. That onion thing I was kind of jealous of. I wanted
I
to get
know,
those.
it's so awesome.
I should have ordered a couple of them.
Yeah, someone in me. The Pachimaru, is that what they're called? Pachimaru? Oh, probably. You wanna check?
There's no tag, so I'm guessing so.
Oh no, it was kind of from China and I had to pull it out and some of it was kind of like half done. I was like, well, what can you expect? It's
Okay,
sweet.
so here's where you pop it open.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Like, she's so gorgeous, I don't want to take her out, but I really do
I
want to
know.
take her out.
She looks cool in that. It's a snow globe.
Yeah, it's a snow globe. Where am I going to put her? I can, like, pin her to the wall. Look at her dress. It's so pretty.
Ooh, she's so pretty. They're so pretty, thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
These Barbies will have to stay dressed, I think.
Yeah, probably.
Probably.
They're your Barbies, so.
I like how her dress gets like steadily darker.
I know.
That's so cool.
The
I thought they were
dress
really
is
pretty,
so
and I like
good.
the blue and red. And Yen's ready to go back to China.
Yeah.
She's in her box, her Puma box.
Wow, we should have just gotten her boxes for Christmas. Let's see. Well,
Her dress is so pretty. Like,
oh, they have matching shoes.
Can you guys call Gina real quick?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. She's probably
Bobby,
waiting
got
on
my
it.
phone. It's over there. How did you do that?
I don't know, honestly. Hold on, I gotta put this on. I'm too excited. And this isn't yours?
Yen said it is.
Yes.
Yes.
Quiet again.
You mustn't watch.
I'm afraid I'm gonna have to like rip open the box.
Yeah, honey, just rip it open. Yen's gonna help.
Oh no! I've cut myself on plastic. How does that even happen?
Just this?
Alright.
Ah, there we go.
You okay, Mimi?
Yeah, I kind
could
of just
I
cut
please
myself.
have these scissors?
It'd be Christmas funny if you didn't draw blood.
Got
At least
that
once.
right.
Hey, don't forget Rita's. Pop, why don't you open Rita's, honey?
Okay.
Aunt Rita's.
Yeah, we got whatever.
Well, listen, why don't y'all call Jenny real quick, okay?
Okay.
And put her on speakerphone.
Oh, so cool.
Oh.
There's a couple. Is there another gift back there?
That's for Grandpa.
Okay, that's Grandpa's stuff.
Winston's huge. Yeah, Winston's like the 6 foot or the 6-inch one.
6
feet.
That would be a good hot dog.
One.
Let me see, Mimi. That one was my favorite.
That's cool.
That was really cool.
No. Not FaceTime audio, just call. Call!
Her hair's so Yeah, that's kind of what was happening to him. Oh, I tried to.
Hi!
Hi, Jenny, you're on speaker.
Hi. What's everybody doing?
Oh, we're doing good.
We just unpacked, we just unwrapped all the Christmas stuff.
We saw yours.
Yes, thank you so
Thank
much.
you
for
so
your-
much. Yeah.
Okay. I'm glad you like it. I haven't gotten up enough to open my presents. Although I did get a necklace for Christmas, which I have on.
Hey, all right.
Yeah. It's great. Well, I'm glad you like it. What else did you get?
We got
Barbies.
holiday
We got the holiday
Barbies. Yeah.
They're really
so
fancy
pretty.
holiday ones. I think you'd like them. They're really pretty.
Yeah. They kind of look like.
Clothes?
Yeah,
Yes,
that's
they-
it.
yes, they-
Surprisingly,
they-
yes.
All right. Is it raining there?
It looks like it's about to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is here too. It's all warm, just warm and comfy up by my fireplace.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's
What
good.
are you guys gonna do today?
I think we're gonna go to eat at the new sushi place at
Yeah.
that's out.
It's really
Oh,
fancy.
okay.
Yeah.
Did Daddy fix you breakfast?
Not yet.
Now we just woke
Yeah,
up.
we kind of just woke up and ran to the presents, so.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, all fun today.
Yeah.
I'll tell you, I like the weather so much. Because you get to snuggle down.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good for that.
You got your fireplace on?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah.
I had to turn it on.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Yeah. Hey, did you have a good time in St. Louis?
Oh, we sure
It was
did.
really cool.
What y'all do? Just hang out and
Yeah,
Yeah,
did.
I know, we
We
got to
play a
eat
lot of sports.
several times.
okay. Is it nice there or was it raining?
It was raining though.
It was raining
It was
like the
really
last
nice,
day.
though. Like it was a nice rain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It wasn't too bad.
Not thunderstorms or anything.
Nah, that was supposed to be today for them.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
All right. Well, all right. I'm glad you called. It's wonderful to hear from you.
Yeah, thank you for the presents. Merry Christmas.
Oh, you're very welcome. All right. Well, you guys have a great day, all right?
You
Okay.
too.
All right, you too.
Bye bye, love
Love
you.
you.
Love you.
Oh.
Just cut off pretty quick.
Oh, this peanut like
Did it actually hang up for you?
Yeah.
Sometimes it doesn't hang
Look at Yen. She's
Well,
got
no,
her
it's
eye
'cause
on a
they
Christmas
call- they
bird.
get the call.
Christmas
I think
bird.
it's the leaves. The leaves are moving.
Bird. Tropical
I
bird.
love how they pin their head. It's really weird.
I think it is to keep their head back. But her shoes are pretty cool.
Hey,
That
can I have
dress is really
scissors?
pretty.
Isn't it?
Well, I think it's really
really
cool.
cool.
And look, her hair has a braid in it.
Oh dang.
There's so many sweets.
It's fantastic.
Everyone knows what it's
It's nice.
Overloaded with them.
Can you just like take that off? Or is it? Oh, it's good. Yeah, she's pretty.
She watching everything.
She's like, look at them cheekbones.
Oh dang.
I don't want to do this.
Oh,
I've been
no,
doing
her
this for
shoes.
years.
Oh, your shoes.
Her shoes keep coming. Shoes stay on. Okay, we're taking the shoes off so we don't lose the shoes.
You know?
You want me to put them up here on the table?
Yeah.
That doesn't take off with them.
Yeah, I'll go. Just a little extra.
Oh,
Christmas,
thank you.
and however you want. If you
Thank
want to go
you.
eat sushi or whatever.
Okay,
Thank
thanks.
you.
Huh?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Daddy. Okay.
Yeah,
Here,
you
I'll
can choose,
take
honey.
Oh, she's got one.
Oh,
Holiday Barbie certificate of authenticity.
Oh, good. We don't want him to be illegal.
Daddy, can you put the $100 towards my trip? Or my Rita?
I want you to put it towards your spending cash. Remember what we talked about?
Yeah. Alright.
Honey, get the paper, put in this box, please. The paper, put in that box, and the stuff I can't burn, put in.
Oh, nice.
Alright, give me the paper.
Get as much as you can, okay? You're gonna need it. Hey. Because when you get there, I guarantee there's gonna be something really nice that you're gonna want,
Yeah, probably.
and you need to get it.
Super
Okay.
expensive.
Yeah.
Here, can I see the scissors real quick? Oh, maybe not.
You know what Jim likes is that we've got a lot of stuff to burn. We have a big fire. Fire, Jim! That tea's good. Pop.
Yeah, I
Have some
had
tea
like
last night?
2 glasses last night. Alright, guys. Thank you.
Ian, what are you doing?
hey, how'd you get the little? Like, I'm still unwrapping.
Still trying to wake up?
Yeah, well, I kind of just kind of freaked her out of that.
I like that Ian got a mouse.
And you pull it out, it's under her skin. It's under her little dress. Oh look, it's
me
from
pop those.
Eva. I know, right. Aww. That's super cute.
Pop, can I have those scissors? Thanks.
Here you go.
I need to tie this to Yen.
I have to get this holiday doll.
Daddy's gonna.
Ooh.
Oh, here, good.
Oh, yeah. Merci.
How can you do
Oh, you got a nice vintage pencil set.
Ah!
Vintage pencil set.
That's really cute.
that? Oh, dash hounds. That is cool.
So cute. Cute. It's so
Yay!
Look at Yen.
Very nice.
Mommy, what did she get you?
I'm sure it's all just share. Yeah, just share, yeah.
What is it?
I have a photography book and some Paris pens, pencils. We're all gonna put some. Beautiful. Beautiful. Maybe you should sell the package.
Can I have some of it?
Christmas.
Yeah. You see your maid to move doll?
Yes, I haven't even got her out of the package. I will get her out of the package.
I just told you.
I remember looking at it and I was like, oh, that's cool. It's very
That's a cool one, Pop. You did good.
I was the one that was smashed in, but she was the only one.
Yeah, she was the only one. Or when you said it, because I went, you get a better box, or
Yeah.
you're like, she was the last one.
The best one come out.
Hey, lick from Mason's box.
Gross, yeah.
Honey, don't put that near his nose.
Away with you.
Get away! These even work.
I'm so confused.
You put them in the trash bin.
Well,
Thanks, Rick.
one of their legs is slightly bent.
Hey,
I was
Pop,
fixing it to.
can you hand me the
No,
scissors
stop.
there? Hey, alright. Thanks, man.
Her cheekbones are like for real. I
No.
love it.
We'll conquer the world. I wanted to start doing face cam, and he'll be in the background, and I'll give him a voice and stuff.
Yeah. Yeah, see, like that was like half done, and I was like, oh.
I'd
No,
like
I'm not
to get
throwing
him
that.
character.
You'll have to wait until later.
I believe I've successfully done it.
There we
Oh
go.
wow.
You're dressed like.
That
Oh.
was gorgeous.
Love the bed.
Your weight needs to be done.
Hey girl.
Hey. I was literally looking at these and I was like, man, I would love me one of those with 3 tags.
Okay.
Y'all got any more plastic?
Yes.
Aloe infused, huh?
Well, I got more trash.
I just need to see an example. It's wonderful. Some popped out colors. Yes. Yes. This is going over my
Can't
bed.
stop.
Now I get rid of my crappy little green Target
Yeah.
$1.50 wallet. I'm so thankful
Yeah, that's
for
what I was
this.
thinking.
Thank you so much.
Hey, scissors, please.
I don't have them.
We were like trying to.
They like.
I was trying to see how big you
I
can
don't know where they are. Hey, Peanut, stop that.
Hey, where's the scissors?
Oh, I got it.
Oh, look. Oh, they're
gosh.
so cute.
Oh
Put them in the
my
mailbox.
gosh.
Aerodynamic.
You get back.
Chasing that ball.
It's Jim.
It's Jingo. It's Jingo.
Just like, oh no. Guts.
This is super cute. Beware
I like
of
those
wagging
round
tail.
red ones.
That one is really cute.
That one and the little black one here is really cute too.
The aerodynamic one.
Yeah,
Maybe what?
and the patient. I can wait.
You know, quit eating that. Oh my God.